What does honesty mean to you?
Honesty means when you don't lie to people and you're nice to your friends.
What does honesty mean to you?
It means when you do something wrong, you're telling the truth. You're not saying, I didn't do it. You're not pointing fingers at somebody else.
Give us an example of honesty.
When a dollar bill is on the floor and you know whose it is, you will keep it instead of giving it back.
What does teamwork mean to you? Helping other people build blocks. What does teamwork mean to you?
Working together with other people.
What is an example of teamwork?
Working together and obviously building it together or drawing it together. What are you doing or doing it together.
What's an example of teamwork?
Teamwork is where someone helps you when one person can't do something by themselves.
2, 3.
Can you tell us how we can use teamwork in our school?
Yeah, my boy, he's in the 5th grade, Jackson Linger, and he tells me about lunchtime he goes and does recycling, and there's quite a few of them. They're going teamwork on their lunch break, I guess, and it's a good thing they do.
Yeah, you guys are already using teamwork for this project, so you guys are all working together. Probably gonna have a couple people who are running the computer and other people brainstorming on questions and ideas, so you guys are already doing it.
And helping each other out on homework. If you guys got questions, we have guys that go to school as well in our training, and they always come and ask us, and we try to help each other out with their schoolwork. So.
I'd also say using teamwork to stand up against bullying. You guys could definitely do that.
We use teamwork every day to make the job better. Just like everybody said, if you're not working together to complete a goal, you're never going to get it done.
I didn't hear that. Hands down, keeping everything straight. Communication as far as communicating from the field to the office, getting paperwork changed around from when stuff changes. Just makes everything better.
And a lot of the jobs we do, we'll need 2 bucket trucks set up at once, where you have 2 guys working on the same job, and sometimes it's crucial you have 2 guys working together because you're doing different things, but you're trying to accomplish the same goal. And if you're not on the same page, there's a lot of bad things that can happen.
I think a big part of that, and Terry can definitely speak to this because he's a leader lineman, is in the job planning. Using your whole team to kind of plan the job and get the plan in place and make sure everybody understands it. Because if you do that, if Terry took that on himself to say he's planning the job, he might miss some things that maybe Brad and Matt see, and without having an input from them, that job's not going to go as smooth.
Can you use teamwork to make your job better?
Like we've been telling everybody, our whole job is teamwork. Things go so much more smoother if everybody works as a team. If everybody's doing what they're supposed to be at the time they're supposed to do it. I just can't stress enough how in our line of work, teamwork is so important. You just do it to make so everything works the way it should. It doesn't mean just because you work together as a team, it's going to work the way you want it to. But that's true with anything. But you just have to work together as a team just so it can be done right and safely. That's the most important thing, is that everybody does what they're supposed to, so everybody goes home safely.
And when you actually work as a team for so long and so much, there's times when we are working on a patient in the EMS. I've worked with my partners so long and as a team that they'll be in the middle doing something, and I will get up for them because I know they're going to need it. I could get them a blood pressure cuff or a pulse oximeter meter, which shows us the pulse rate and your oxygen level in your blood that we put on the finger. They don't need to ask me that because we've worked so long together as a team. We kind of know what they're going to think and what they need.
What does teamwork mean to you?
Teamwork means helping out my firefighters and other firefighters that come in. We both run at St. Paris and Christiansburg. Christiansburg is our primary department. So if we have a really big fire, we will call St. Paris in, Rosewood, Casttown, and Fletcher. We have to work together with all these firefighters from different towns so we can get the structure put out, extinguished. Because you can go somewhere and another department can be doing their own different thing, not working with everybody else, and actually mess up the progress you're trying to make or make it harder to do.
Sorry. For me, teamwork is a lot like what Jason said. I'm not gonna do everything on my own. We need to all work together. We need to all be on the same page. Everybody's supposed to do what they want to do, because if that one person goes and does something different that they're not told to do, like Jay said, it could mess up what we're working for and defeat the purpose of us being there.
When somebody does their own thing, not part of the team, we call that freelancing. That freelancing could actually deteriorate the scene to where somebody gets hurt and not come home to the family, meaning one of us fire personnel. So teamwork is very integral to what we do. It's very important. We cannot stress it. As soon as you go to school, one of the first things you're taught in firefighting school is do not freelance, teamwork. Work as one unit, one job.